What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be watching the finale of Chainsaw Man. Which
Crazy that we're already here.
It's pretty unfortunate that it's already over. It's been really amazing so far. We've both loved it. The animation is like 10 out of 10. The music, all the outros, like it's just been so good. So we're really excited to see because that last episode really set it up to be a crazy finale. They left
a lot of shit's gonna go down, that's for sure.
Yeah, they left us with the giant cliffhanger of Aki looking like he's on the verge of death.
Yeah, he looks pretty. Yeah, doesn't look good. From what everybody says about the show, yeah, I could expect anything to happen.
Yeah, honestly. They're saying not to get attached, so that's fun. If something happens, I'll be pretty upset.
Yeah.
To him, and then we got some new characters. The angel devil.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah. And then that scary ass spider. I had nightmares about that.
That was really terrifying.
So thanks a lot, but
Shark Boy.
Ooh, I actually love Shark Boy.
Shark Boy was funny. That was cool. Really interesting.
I like he can like go through the walls. That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
There's like other stuff like that in other animes. I like that a lot.
Yeah, it was good. It was a good episode, a good setup to this. So let's just get right into it and see what's going to happen. Also, if you guys have enjoyed our videos, it would really mean the world to us if you could just give us a like and possibly subscribe to our channel. It's really helping us grow, and we're loving doing this. It's a lot of fun, so we'd really appreciate that encouragement from you guys. And again, we also always love all your comments. So now let's get into it.
Damn!
Jump scare.
Oh.
Why are his eyes closing? I'm not liking this.
Ooh. Not looking good. Not looking good.
They're really starting it off with this? Depression? Side note, that food looks really good.
Interesting.
She likes him young.
Like the music.
I know. It's like lo-fi vibes. Oh. What?
Just like dropped him. There's some scary ass arms. Oh my god.
God, that is so painful. It's too soon.
Whoa.
I know. Wow.
Somebody kill that girl, please.
Yeah, she's gotta go.
No, I'm not crying. I just got something in my eye.
Mentally prepare. You better run, girl.
Oh. Who's that? Oh, nice.
It's her girl.
Back to these two. I'm gonna start doing that to you whenever you piss me off. Just boom, boom, boom.
We should literally play a new drinking game and it's just drink every time Power punches Denji.
We wouldn't last long.
We wouldn't last very long. Oh, they're dealing with this shit?
He's just staying in the elevator.
He's like, nah, I'm good. I've already been there, done that. You have fun.
Damn, she's going off though. I like how she's used a bunch of different weapons. Spears, hammers, blades, you name it.
Girl, Denji is gone.
I love her laugh. So
I know.
funny.
She's the absolute best. That voice actor is perfect. He's like, nah, I'm not gonna go help her. All I want to do is just touch some titties. Wow, that was...
He just made me yawn. His fault.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah, he's ready. Ooh.
Ooh. Found you sideburns, man. Okay, yeah, that's not real.
You okay?
You okay?
I know, Denji, though. He might be like, really? Dude, your granddad sucked.
Yeah, your granddad was a piece of shit. What?
Who's this guy? I mean, come on. Literally, what do you think he's gonna say?
Who do you think you are?
Bam.
What?
Ooh. That was crazy. He just pulled his hand off and he had like a sword there.
Wow. This
is crazy.
It's great. I wonder how long this took to animate.
That shit's gotta hurt. Couple buildings and a train, yeah. I'm saying though, why hasn't he done the supersonic slash? You know what I mean?
The supersonic slash.
Like the thing that he always saves for the end.
Oh
like,
yeah.
Why does he do that right now?
I can't get over how this looks. I know I say that all the time when I'm watching this, but like, it's beautiful.
It looks like CGI, but
yeah.
it's better.
Yeah. Ooh.
Damn.
God damn. Oh.
Ooh. I would have shit my pants if I was on that train.
Ooh. Ooh.
Damn.
Oh.
There it is. Move.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Ooh. Damn, she made it.
She's gonna be traumatized for life.
So his arm's gone, right? And his other arm's about to go.
Here goes his power up. Can we ban that move?
That thing's crazy. Whatever that is. Yeah, it's not looking good.
No hands.
Ooh. Nothing's gonna fall off?
Damn. You know, Denji doesn't have like any sort of training, I feel like, and he's, I mean, besides like the recent one, and he's still pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Like he kind of just got thrown into this.
What? Shut the fuck up. No way. No way he had one on his leg. Did he get him? Is he like dead? He's gotta be dead.
He's gotta be dead. I mean, that was right down the middle.
That was cool.
That was the craziest shit I've ever seen in any anime ever.
Look at Denji actually thanking.
Denji's thanking.
Oh yeah, they got his ass. Okay, good.
Oh, how did he get...
Take that, sideburns.
How did he get put back together?
That's a good question.
てめえのせいで世界から一人減ったんだ。なのにてめえは反省もせず、一生刑務所暮らし。大会を開く。大会？あ、いいとこに来たな。こちら4課早川。時計館前線路内にて拘束済みの。I
still can't believe he sliced him up like that.
I know.
早川の先輩も参加するか？最強の大会によ。お前は何を言って？お互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていって、警察が来るまでに一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつの勝ち。
Please, please, please. Come on.
呼んねえのか？
How can you not?
俺たちの仕事はこいつを捕まえることだ。いたぶって嘘を晴らすことじゃない。
Come on.
そんなことしたって。
I think she would have. I feel like with her personality, she definitely would have. That's killing me.
Ah. 勝ったら何くれんだ?
Yes.
こいつの玉金や。
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, a lot of shit went down with the Yakuza.
Yeah.
She always got that look. I feel bad for her.
She needs a hug. I just want to give her a hug. Angel Devil.
Angel Devil. Oh my god.
It's like funny, but I also want to cry.
Yeah, I know. Can you hear the stuff in heaven? They're playing a requiem for you. Oh my god.
Wow. Or were they arranged by you?
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
I've been wondering that this whole fucking time.
Was that the... Yeah, I was about to say, was that the snake? Triggered automatically by the terms of her contract with the gun devil.
Go Benny's cry right there. That was so funny.
Interesting. So they basically have like a gun devil tracker. And Makima's in charge of it. That's not good. Wow. No! I can't believe it's over.
Oh my god, no.
Power chasing a cat. This sounds like the Jujutsu Kaisen
It does.
band.
It sounds exactly... I was just seeing that. Also, I love that this outro is like their little family.
Yeah, I love this one. Like him in sweatpants.
I know.
Is he my man crush? Like always like complimenting on like his hair, earrings, sweatpants. Wow. That's it, huh? Oh.
Look at those two passed out in there. Hey, this is like the intro. This in the first
Creepy
episode.
hallway?
Remember from the very first
I
episode?
do remember. Doesn't he turn the corner and like in their door?
There's a door. Are we about to go through the door?
Interesting.
Open it, open it, open it. Oh.
Little kid Denji.
いつも見た。いつも忘れる夢。デンジ。落ちた。落ちた。出てこいよ。
No way.
夢の中くらい撫でさせてくれ。デンジ。絶対に開けちゃダメだ。
Sounded like power.
I like how much they're giving us after
I
the
know.
credits. Like, come on, I like
デ
it.
ンジ君はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい？
Ooh, must be someone for next season.
Oh, yeah.
Little teaser. All the manga readers must be going crazy or something.
Wow.
Wow. That was awesome. I honestly was expecting a lot more heartbreak.
Yeah.
That was... I can't believe not only did they beat the bad guys, they literally kicked him in the balls until he couldn't scream anymore, I guess.
Yeah.
Like it was a contest or something. I mean, wow. That was awesome. That was everything I could have asked for. I mean,
Yeah. I
for a
feel
finale,
like
wow.
they just, like, I was expecting to be so, like, heartbroken, like you were saying.
That's what I'm
but, like,
saying, yeah.
it was such, like, a feel-good episode. Like, when Aki finally kind of just, like, loosened up a little bit and was like, no, let's get this guy. Let's fuck him up.
Yeah.
I was like, thank you.
Yeah.
Like, that's what you need to be doing.
The cigarette, I loved what they did with that, and then how he was
Yeah.
able to get past Ghost
Yeah.
and then finally get that girl. Also, I can't believe they just like mentioned like, oh yeah, she killed herself in a
I know. They
like
just,
a
like, threw that in
self-imposed
there.
contract thing. And I was like, damn, I wish we could have done an equivalent of ball kicking to her. You know what I
She
mean?
deserved something terrible.
Yeah. Because she like orchestrated kind of that whole thing.
Yeah, she's the whole reason that
So-
Humano's dead.
And a lot of other people.
And a lot of other people, yeah.
Like that guy Kobeni was with the whole time.
I love. I couldn't
And a bunch
believe
of other
Kobeni
people.
had the knife around her.
She
and then I
just
was like,
gets
"That's
there
my
like that.
girl." Like,
So she's got like some like super speed or sneaky, like can't be. I don't even know.
she's
something.
just a badass.
I
There's
don't
like
know.
no reason for it. She's just a badass.
Yeah, remember last time when she was doing like flips and shit on top of Snake and then
Yeah.
cut off Katana Man's arm
Yeah,
like it was nothing?
that's when I was like, okay.
Yeah, I was like,
wow.
whoa,
I didn't
holy
expect
shit.
that.
Yeah, I want her on my team, so I totally get why she's there. How long do we have to wait? Do you want to look it up real quick?
I feel like they wouldn't even
You
have
wouldn't even
any
announce
kind
it?
of
That
release
sucks.
date.
Coda, making me throw your toys all throughout the video, huh? Good job, bud. Nice catch.
You can expect season 2 of Chainsaw Man to release late 2023 or early 2024.
Okay, so like a year.
I can't wait that long. I need
That
to
does
know.
suck. That absolutely sucks, but that's a
Yeah.
lot better than other shows.
That is,
You
I
know.
know. Like I know if that first season of Attack on Titan there was like 4 years or something,
Something crazy.
something crazy
Yeah.
like that. Like at least we don't have to deal with that. But like I want to know who that girl was at the end, and
Obviously, Gun Devil, like what
Yeah.
the deal is there, and why. I want to know why they're after
the heart.
the heart. Yep. Makima up to her scheming, I can't even imagine what she has planned. I like when you were like, or did you do it?
Or did you do it?
I
Because
don't
she's
trust
behind.
anything.
She seems like she's behind all that shit, and I just know she's so manipulative, and she's just gonna.
And she's not human.
She's not
Talk
human.
about that. So if she's not human, that means she's either a fiend or a devil, right?
Yeah.
And that's the question for me right now. And I don't know.
I have no.
Either way,
idea.
it's bad news. She can do something.
Yeah. Another question I had, which maybe one of you guys in the comments can help, because I missed it, is how do you kill them? Because they cut that guy in half, and he just went back to, like, how do you kill him? Do you just, like, cut off their head or something?
Have to look
like
that up.
Yeah, so
because
if
like
anybody
Denji
can
was
help
like
in
killing
the comments.
devils with the chainsaw. Pochita.
Yeah.
Is it like, can they kill each other? Well, no, because he sliced him in half, and then they were kicking his balls.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a
So
great
if anybody
question.
can help in the comments, please let me know, because maybe I missed it or something, but I just don't understand how you were supposed to kill him. Doesn't make any sense. Damn, that was really, really good finale. The whole show was just so amazing, and like the storyline already, like I have so much respect for that author, that just all the way he like
he's like super young too. I read he's
Yeah.
like 28.
I
or
saw
something.
that too. It's
So,
crazy.
wow.
The way that he had like that cigarette at the end with the easy, like, who thinks of that? It was like perfect.
For someone that young to like relay trauma through a story that well, like, what have you gone through?
And to like show how you just kind of have to keep pushing and like keep going, and there's nothing you can do because like you have other problems at hand that you have to deal with. Like, I just thought the storyline was so good. I love the relationships and the friendships that people are already having, and like Power and Denji, and Aki and Power and Denji, their little family, and Kobeni, who is like, it's like a character like that who's so surprising to you, and you just have like the lowest expectations for them, and then I love that kind of shit. So this show, for me, has been amazing, and the animation. I've always thought Demon Slayer has the best animation, but like this is
some of this looked unbelievable,
crazy. It's
unbelievable,
insane.
Visually, absolutely one of the best I've seen, hands down.
The voice actors phenomenal. Killed it.
Yep, really, really good.
Everybody at Mappa, who's probably had sleepless nights, killed it.
That TikTok where it's like any good manga story out there, Mappa's like, let's do it. Let's do it.
They have like sleepless employees, but like they're making good shit, so
unbelievable. Keep it up, please. Keep it up. Keep pumping stuff like this out.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you've enjoyed our videos and our channel, it would mean the world to us if you could like and subscribe. It really helps encourage us to keep going, and we're having a blast doing this and getting to talk to you guys, so just know it means the world. Also, we do have a Patreon too if you guys want to check that out. There will be unedited episodes of Chainsaw Man put up there tonight or tomorrow, and then we're also doing Vinland, which we'll be releasing on YouTube as well, but it'll be way ahead on Patreon. It'll be like 10 episodes ahead at all times on Patreon. So, and then also if you guys have any other recommendations of animes that you'd like to see us react to, drop those in the comments, because we're always looking for some new stuff to watch too. And if you guys like our sweatshirts that we're wearing and that you've probably seen in a bunch of our other videos, I do have a small business called Storybook Designs Company. We'll put it right here as always. And then I do have a discount code for anybody who watches the channel, so I'll put it right here at the bottom.
15% off.
Yeah, 15% off. And I have a bunch of different stuff, but I also do custom orders too, so if you have an anime that you don't see on there, I could make custom orders too, which is really fun. So yeah, go check that out, and we really appreciate you guys, and we'll see you guys for the next show that we watch when we figure out what the hell that's gonna be. Bye!